with Mike Kojima. We're going to talk about his Evo 9 right here. This is your track car, daily? What is this?
It's just a screw-around street car.
This is a street car. What's it making now?
489 to... No, I'm sorry. It makes 498 to the wheels.
498 to the wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh, you got Motons on here too? Is that three-way?
Yeah, three-way Motons.
Okay, so when I put my Moton canisters in my engine bay like that, people were crying that I was frying them. Does that make a difference in the heat?
I mean, it's common sense. If you put them right by the manifold, yeah, it can screw them up. But I mean, in the engine compartment back there,
yeah,
that's fine.
No issues. Yeah.
But if it's close to the exhaust, yeah, that's probably not good.
Yeah. I had it on the cold side.
Because there's like seals in there that can get
messed up.
Yeah.
Wow. What's all this? What's all the plumbing right there?
That's a Hypertune intake manifold, and it's converted to speed density, so that goes to the manifold absolute pressure sensor. Also goes to the water injection.
So this is the legendary 4G63, or no?
Yeah.
It is. What's the new Evo? Like the 10, what's the engine?
4B11.
And you don't like those?
No, they're pretty good.
This is iron block?
Yeah, but this is iron block, closed deck, so you can really lean on this motor.
Dude.
But the 4B11's super strong too.
Yeah. You got ARC intercooler?
Yeah, ARC radiator, ARC intercooler.
Why ARC? Is it just because it's cool JDM?
No, my buddy works for Mac and he got me a good deal.
Valid. Okay.
ARC intake. ARC oil cooler.
Do those intake make more power than, say, a cone style, or the panel style about the same?
It probably makes a lot of power, but I bet you it doesn't filter too good, but who cares? I don't go in the dirt with it.
Yeah. What about foam versus, say, like pleated?
I think pleated filters better.
Yeah?
Foam, I don't know.
God.
Who cares? It's a street car.
Mike is a good person to ask about
stuff. It looks
stuff.
sweet.
Because he knows his stuff. Yeah, it looks sweet. What about the manifold?
ARC cooling system pressure regulator.
Wait, what? What's a cooling system pressure regulator?
So this regulates the amount of pressure in your radiator.
Oh.
And you can adjust it.
What? I've never heard of that.
Yeah, that's ARC makes it. So I run more pressure than stock, so the cooling system's a little bit more effective.
Whoa, I didn't even know that.
And then this ARC titanium thing doesn't do anything.
It's cool points.
Yeah, it covers
for the boys.
Looks cool.
It looks cool for the boys.
It's titanium.
What about this? This thing is massive.
Those are ground control camber caster plates. So you can get more caster, adjust your camber. Full race exhaust manifold.
Full race exhaust
for
manifold.
A twin scroll. HKS turbo.
HKS turbo on there.
Ball bearing. So this thing has no turbo lag at all.
Brembos? Are these?
These
GTs?
are actually the GTs. So they're monoblock.
Yeah.
When you look close, you can tell they're way bigger than stock.
Yeah.
6 piston.
Because this already came with Brembos, right, from the factory?
4 piston.
But we're never happy with stock Brembos, so we buy fancy Brembos.
4 piston rear.
4 piston rear.
2-piece rotors.
Neochrome lug nuts.
Yeah, and T37 something or other wheels.
Yeah, T's. Nice. Oh, look at the exhaust. What exhaust is this?
It's a Greddy Ty C.
Whoa, got a little dark here. This is a pretty hot boy car for someone who's at least 30.
It's kind of sleeper though. It looks
sleeper.
Stock. Yeah, it looks like a stock Evo with wheels, right?
What do we got back here?
So we got a lithium battery. Anti-gravity.
Same strut tower brace setup?
It's a Works strut tower brace. It braces up the whole rear. Water methanol injection, AEM.
So you do a 50-50 mix on this or what?
No, I just do water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not really for power. It's just for thermal control.
Yeah.
Like this thing is flex fuel, so it really doesn't need methanol.
Yeah.
So it's flex fuel. It runs on the Link plug and play. Okay. The water injection's computer controlled. So it comes on when it's on pump gas, and the radiator temp goes above 215. It automatically comes in.
Yeah, Mike's got a channel. It's quite big on YouTube. You guys should check it out. He gets really nitty-gritty with tech specs and all that stuff. Well, yeah, this is super OEM inside.
Well, the whole car looks like a totally stock Evo with wheels, right?
Wow. How's it sound? Can you turn it on? So what are your thoughts with blow-off valves versus no blow-off valves?
I think you should always run the blow-off valve.
It doesn't sound like that's got a blow-off valve.
Oh, it does.
What is that surging I'm hearing?
You know, with this light load, just at idle, it's probably not enough to open the blow-off valve.
Why should you always run a blow-off valve?
Because when you lift the throttle when you're on boost, that shock wave of pressurized air with nowhere to go puts a tremendous thrust load on your turbo's bearing, so it makes your turbo wear out a lot quicker.
Oh.
And also, it really slows down your turbo. The RPM on it drops.
Yeah.
So you get back on the throttle, you know, it takes a while for it to spool up again.
But it doesn't sound as cool, I guess.